Guys, it is fall and we're going to be creating a fall look for fall festivities. For this look, I'm going to be using the Pretty Birdie eyeshadow palette, the powerful lipstick from Bossy Cosmetics. I'm also going to be using Bossy Cosmetics Bravery lipstick, the waterproof ultra volume mascara from Blink. I'm going to go in with my mascara from Blink first. This is the Jealous, this is the Nevermore, this is a Snitch, this is a Songbird, so on and so forth. So I'm going to go in with the green Jealous color and I'm going to put that right along my eyelids. I really like this color. It is very pigmented. I can get a little bit more of that blue to be deepened there. I'm gonna get a little bit more of this green. And I'm gonna go right down here at the bottom. I'm gonna use Free, because this one is a more like shimmer white, and I'm gonna just highlight right here. I'm gonna go in with the black eyeliner right now. Going with just a concealer. Cosmetic Bravery lipstick with the look is beautiful. I'm gonna back up a little bit so you guys can see the full look here. I think this is really gorgeous with the lips, but I'm gonna just try another lipstick. So this one right here from Bossy Cosmetics is the powerful lipstick. And I feel like this one is giving me all fall vibes. This is the finished look, a beautiful fall look for fall festivities that you can grab, change up from my summer routine where I had like a bunch of bright tone lipsticks on my lips. So now I'm bringing them all down and bringing out those tones that are more fall-like. So if you want to create this look, you need to definitely grab these pieces for it. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys soon.